Today we are going to discuss a very important HTML interview question related to forms. What is the difference between required and disabled? So many beginners see both attribute and think they are just restrictions, right? But they solve completely different problems. Let us understand this with a real world example. Imagine you are filling out a registration form. The form asks for name, email, phone number. Now imagine the name field is mandatory. You cannot submit the form without entering your name. That's where required comes in. The browser will prevent the form from being submitted if the user leaves things like a field empty. So required means the user must provide a value right on that particular field. So now let's look at disabled one. So here is one of the line of the code: input type is equal to text disabled, right? You can see disabled input cannot normally be edited or interacted with. It's basically telling the user this field is currently unavailable. For example, imagine an e-commerce checkout. The country is already selected based on the user's account. You might temporarily disable the field that the user should not modify. Now here is an important interview point. A required field is still active. The user can type into it. A disabled field is not active. The user cannot normally interact with it. So, and there is another important difference is a disabled form control is generally not submitted with the form. That's a very important practical concept. So remember, required is in required field value is necessary. In disabled field is unavailable. So if interviewer asks you what is the difference between required and disabled, so you can tell them the answer. Required means the user must provide a value before the form can be submitted, but disabled makes the form control unavailable for interactions, and it is generally excluded from form submission. So required asks the user for a value, disabled doesn't allow the user to provide one. So this is all about the required and disabled. Thank you.